and we like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today we are going to be showing you how to make all-natural, do-it-yourself bath bombs. So we are so excited, and these make excellent Valentine's Day gifts. So if you are on the market looking for something, right?
If you're struggling for a gift, make it.
Yes, you can make it. So we'll just jump right on in. So first what you'll want to do is mix your dry ingredients together. So what you'll need is a half a cup of baking soda. You pour that in. You'll need a quarter cup of citric acid. So that's what's going to make it fizz in your bath. Move this away. You'll need a quarter cup of cornstarch. Doesn't really want to come out.
You want to use the whisk?
Or no, this one. Okay. And then you'll want to use a quarter cup of Epsom salt. And then you're just going to stir it all together, like so, just until the dry ingredients are evenly mixed in. Happy Friday, Donna!
Where can you find the citric acid?
So citric acid, I ordered mine on Amazon. You can find everything on Amazon nowadays. But you can go, they have it at specialty food stores usually. Sometimes you might be able to find them at just regular stores. But if you can't find them, you can always just go into Amazon. And if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get it in no time. Kind of rhymed. Okay. So now you want to combine your wet ingredients.
Okay. So what first?
All right, so what you're going to do is take a tablespoon of water.
Okay. Tablespoon of water.
Yes. And then you're going to want to take a teaspoon of your shea nut oil.
Okay.
And the dropper is so helpful.
Yes. Makes it easy to pour without spilling it.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about spilling it everywhere. That'll help you.
Except for when I just spilled it.
Yeah, just spilled it in the back. It's okay. Well, they didn't see that, but now they know. And then you're going to do about 40 drops of Love essential oil.
Okay.
Grocery stores in their canning supplies. Okay. You love Plantlife EO. Oh, that's great, Linda. What's your favorite EO, if you don't mind me asking? Linda, my favorite EO, which I feel like I say it all the time, is Relax.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you're going to do your food coloring. So if you want to have colored bath bombs, you don't have to, but since it's Valentine's Day, we're going to do... are you going to go for red or pink?
Pink. I did
Okay.
5 drops. Is that too much?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're just going to mix those all together. So, of course, oil and water do not mix together. So when you're stirring it, don't worry if it's kind of coming apart. Once you pour it into your mixture, it's going to be perfectly fine.
It does look kind of bubbly.
Yeah.
All right.
So, what you want me to take this for you?
Well, I don't know.
Okay. So, what you're going to want to do next is to slowly pour your liquid into your dry mixture, because the citric acid and the baking soda, they work together to actually make it really fizzy. You don't want to activate it. So, you just mix it in very slowly, a little bit at a time. And, of course, you're mixing it as you're pouring. So I'm going to pour a little bit, and then I'm just going to stir it in like this. And hopefully I don't fling it all over the table. That's the goal. So bath bombs are super easy to make. When we first were thinking about doing bath bombs, we thought it was going to be really hard, but...
As we learned, it's super easy.
Super
it's
easy.
Really fun to make. Now I want to make these for all of my friends. So.
Yeah.
And the reason we're using shea nut oil too is because it's super moisturizing for the skin. It helps the skin feel nourished and hydrated. So that's good in the bath. When you get out, you feel moisturized. And you don't have to use Love either. We're using Love EO, but some other good essential oils would be like lavender would be good. Relax Blend would be great. Make Relax for Jasmine.
I know. Next one.
Peace would be good. Sleep Tight if you take a bath before you go to bed, kind of wind down. Or if you're sick, Breathe Easy would be wonderful in the bath.
That sounds... Breathe Easy bath bomb sounds so amazing. I am under the weather right now. Should have made that.
We'll make that next.
Yo, yeah. Since we're obsessed with making bath bombs now. And it's a perfect gift if you aren't doing Valentine's Day, like some people do Galentine's Day. So, like, you can make a bunch of them and give them to your girlfriends or family members or anything like that. We're almost there.
Almost there. So you can store them too in an airtight container and give them as a gift. Put a little ribbon on it.
It's actually a really cute idea.
I can see what you mean by pouring it in slowly.
Right?
If it's too fast, it like fizzes
It fizzes
up.
everywhere.
It's starting to look pretty. It's like a nice shade of pink.
You can kind of see where it's getting, where it's going.
Getting there.
Thanks, Brianna.
It is a cute idea.
It
I
is a
agree.
very cute idea for Valentine's Day. Especially, you know, homemade gifts are always good because it's
That's
always
true.
from the heart. Makes people think that you went that extra step, which this is an extra step, really,
Yeah.
when you think about it. That you're
Kind of
thinking
appreciate the gift more if it's handmade.
You do. And it's going to look amazing because what you're going to do is you're going to put them in your molds, which we'll show you. Or you can show them now, I guess. So they're going to look like you bought them, and when you tell them that you made them,
That's pretty amazing.
they're going to be...
So we're doing like little hearts today, but you can also do like a circle, a sphere,
Yeah.
I suppose. Or we also have a cute little shell, but you can get other molds.
Mm-hmm. Another cool idea, which we're not doing right now, but you can kind of hide a little gift in them.
Oh, great
And
idea.
so when they're ready to come out, when they start to fizzle away.
When they like dissolve in the bath, the gift pops out. That's so cute.
All right. So what you'll do is you want to make sure it's mixed all together until it's kind of it's a crumbly texture. You don't want it to be chunky. If it's chunky, if there's like big little like balls in there, you want to keep mixing until it's nice and just these little.
So if it's
flakes.
too wet too, that's a problem as well.
Yes, if it's too wet, it probably won't react the way that you want it to.
Okay.
So then what you do is you'll take your molds. So you can use any molds. We got these off Amazon, but you can use like your cookie molds or your cake molds if you have small ones, or like cupcake molds. You can you can make the shape, whatever shape you want it to be. And then you just leave it, let it sit for at least 24 hours. But if you want to use them right away, sorry, the mixing got it like all in the air. If you want to use them right away, you can put them in the fridge or freezer for about 30 minutes, and then you can go ahead and use them. So when you're putting it in the molds, you want to just press it down nice and tight, like so. It's like everywhere. All right, so let me move this out the way. So we're going to show you. I'm going to drop one that we made earlier. You ready?
Yep.
Hopefully it works.
Okay.
Oh, and it does.
It's nice and fizzy. It's turning the water like pink, and it's really cute.
Yeah.
I could see that if it was like a darker pink, it'd turn your whole bathtub like a more dark pink.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really fizzy.
Yeah. Oh, and it smells amazing. Very relaxing. So, as always, we appreciate you guys for watching. We hope that you do try this DIY at home. If you do make the bath bombs, let us know. And let us know if you try the Love or whatever essential oil that you choose. And we will see you next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.